Welcome to the CRI Genetics at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product and more details are included in the description below. CRI Genetics is an at-home DNA test kit designed to deliver insights into your ancestry and wellness through advanced genetic analysis. Leveraging proprietary algorithms, CRI Genetics promises a high degree of accuracy and personalized insights tailored to your genetic makeup. It's an ideal choice for those seeking a combination of ancestry discovery and health-related knowledge. The testing process is straightforward. After purchasing the kit, you provide a quick cheek swab sample using the provided materials and mail it back. Results typically arrive within 6 to 8 weeks, accessible via CRI's secure online platform. The reports are divided into two main sections: ancestry and health. For ancestry, CRI Genetics offers a detailed breakdown of your genetic heritage, mapping your lineage across geographic regions. A standout feature is their timeline report, which estimates when and where your ancestors lived over the past 50,000 years. This adds a unique historical perspective to your ancestry data, setting it apart from many competitors. On the health side, CRI Genetics provides wellness and trait reports, delivering insights into genetic factors influencing aspects like sleep patterns, nutrient absorption, metabolism, and physical activity. While the health section is not as extensive as those from kits focused solely on wellness, it still provides actionable guidance for improving your lifestyle based on your genetic predispositions. Who is this kit for? CRI Genetics is tailored for individuals who want a blend of ancestry and health insights. It's particularly appealing for those interested in a historical and comprehensive view of their genetic background, coupled with useful wellness recommendations. In summary, CRI Genetics offers a balanced approach to DNA testing, combining rich ancestry reports with practical wellness tips. If you're looking for a kit that provides both heritage exploration and actionable lifestyle guidance, CRI Genetics is a strong contender. Check the links in the description for more information or to order your kit today.